Welcome to Microbial Superheroes. Today we're exploring the amazing world of microorganisms and their incredible powers. From bioluminescence to radiation resistance, these tiny heroes are making a big impact. Let's dive in. Meet Glowing Ghost, the bioluminescent dinoflagellate. With the power to light up the darkness, Glowing Ghost is illuminating the way for ocean exploration. Next up is Shell Shield, the radiolarian with a protective shell armor. Shell Shield is defending the ocean floor from harm. Meet Water Warrior, the desert tortoise beetle that can store water for survival. Water Warrior is hydrating the desert landscape. Toxic Tornado, the sea slug with the power of toxin incorporation, is keeping predators at bay. Snaptrap, the Venus flytrap with a quick and powerful trapping ability, is catching prey in no time. Photosynthesis power, the Euglena gracilis that harnesses energy from sunlight, is powering the food chain. Regeneration Renegade, the immortal jellyfish that can transform its body, is defying aging. Healing Hero, the penicillium mold that produces life-saving antibiotics, is saving lives. Helm Hero, the water flea with a protective helmet, is shielding itself from harm. Oxygen Overdrive, the cyanobacteria that produces oxygen for the planet, is breathing life into our world. Magnetic Master, the magnetospirillum that controls magnetic fields, is navigating the Earth's magnetism. Fermentation Fury, the baker's yeast that converts sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide, is brewing up a storm. Protein Producer, the E. coli that produces human proteins, is manufacturing life-saving medicines. Regeneration Rebel, the Stentor coeruleus that regenerates its body, is defying damage. Maze Mastermind, the slime mold that solves complex mazes, is navigating the labyrinth of life. Hydrogen Hero, the Chlamydomonas reinhardtii that produces clean energy, is powering the future. Radiation Resistant, the Deinococcus radiodurans that survives extreme conditions, is thriving in the harshest environments. Stalk Savior, the Colobacter cruzentus that attaches to surfaces for survival, is anchoring itself in the face of adversity. Heat Hero, the Thermococcus codocarensis that thrives in extreme temperatures, is burning bright. Biofuel Champion, the Synecocystis sp. PCC 6803 that produces sustainable biofuels, is fueling the future. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of microbial superheroes. These tiny heroes are making a big impact, and we can learn a lot from their incredible powers. Subscribe for more videos and let's explore the amazing world of microorganisms together.